Hey guys, just a little disclaimer. Remember, these videos are just for fun, so don't hate on anyone in the video. And of course, all the links will be down below in the description. People still keep asking me what I look like, so if you want to know, go follow my Instagram down below. Jimmy is actually crazy when it comes to ice cream. He always eats so much of it. Like in this video, he has almost 20 ice creams and Nutella. Q is honestly something else. She basically moans for the whole video over how great the food is. And I'm just sitting here like, damn, is it really that good?
Hello! Oh. Y'all, look at this sauce. Can you see it? Ooh. Wow, that is so good. So look.
Big Guy Appetite is the CEO of Hyping Up Food. Dude acts like he hasn't eaten in frickin' years, and that this is the best thing ever. If you've tried it before, is it?
Double fish sandwich. Crispy, flaky. Oh wow. Oh, that's good. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Bongle is back yet again to absolutely decimate some food. The huge bites he does where he clears a whole piece of chicken are actually insane. She has a whole table completely covered in chocolate, and low-key it looks amazing. I only recently found her channel, but her videos are so satisfying. So these guys decided they wanted eggs and made like 50 of them. I'd be done after about 5. I don't know about you guys, but this seems a bit much to me.
해찬들
정정한 갤로그.
오!
It's good. And last up is Boki. As always, she eats like she hasn't eaten frickin' forever. She seriously clears tables of food like it's nothing.